Great, here's another tutorial. This tutorial is for those people who actually get this Teyes CC3 and, you know, for some reason your car buttons don't work, your steer buttons don't work. Here's the fix for that. So once you actually you know, get the device and you switch it on, some people don't even know what CAN bus is. So that's literally what the problem is. So when you want to fix that, you basically go to Teyes. This is an app that gives you all the latest updates, right? So what you want to do is go to model selection, and then you select what model your car is, and then it will obviously put those settings in and allow the steer to work. So this is a Vauxhall Astra, because in the UK it's called Vauxhall, but in Europe in general the car's called Opel, right? And this is the symbol for that. So I'm going to go click on Opel, and it's an Opel Astra J, okay? And then basically it gives you the settings here that this is supposed to be. And once you press that, your buttons should be working perfectly fine. It's called your CAN bus, the CAN bus models. Okay, if you're from another country, you know, sometimes new cars come out and the CAN bus settings are not there. So what Teyes does is they update the CAN bus settings for these newer cars, and here is basically where you can update these things. As you can see here, there's one for the US and so on and so forth, if you know what I'm saying. My one works perfectly fine, so I don't have to update anything at all. But yeah, that is in general the fix. Every button basically works. In fact, like I said, I can adjust volume here, okay? I can adjust the volume here, okay? I can mute it, so on and so forth, okay? And I can use my steer to adjust the volume as well. So yeah, that is how you fix that. For those people who are new to cars and stuff and don't understand what CAN bus is, basically this is one of the things that CAN bus is about. So another thing I forgot to mention is, if this is on and you open your car, it shows you which door is open, right? Now usually when you first get this application, the right door won't be open. You know what I'm saying? Because it will think that you're in the US. And in the US, the driver's side is on the left. So therefore, if you open it, the left side is going to be displayed as open, right? So instead, what you do is, I think you go to one of these settings here, and then you can actually change the position of the driver's side. So therefore, you actually adjust which side gets displayed as open whenever you open the door. So I adjusted that to the right side because this is the UK, we drive on the right. So when I open the right door opens. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, this is me figuring out exactly how this works and putting it out there for you to make your lives easier, because a lot of this is not actually put in the Teyes tutorials and all these other things. They're really lacking on that part. So yeah, you can thank me for doing all the hard work and giving all that information to you. With that being said, that's basically it.